Today, we're tackling a common issue that every driver dreads: a dead car battery. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it and get back on the road in no time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful car content. Let's get started. First things first, how do you know if your battery is dead? Here are the most common signs. The engine won't start, and you hear a clicking sound. The lights on your dashboard are dim or completely off. The power locks and windows aren't working. No response from the radio or internal electronics. If you're experiencing any of these, there's a good chance your battery needs a jump. First things first, park safely. Find a flat surface away from traffic. Next, turn off both cars. If you're using jumper cables, make sure both vehicles are off. Engage the parking brake to keep both cars stationary. And, oh yeah, don't forget to wear safety gear. Gloves and safety glasses are ideal. For this job, you'll need one of the following jumper cables: a second vehicle with a good battery, a portable jump starter, great if you're alone, or a battery charger for longer-term fixes. Let's go over how to use each option. If you have access to another car, follow these steps. First, position the cars. Park the working car close enough for the jumper cables to reach, but make sure they're not touching. Next, locate the batteries. Pop the hoods and find both batteries. Finally, identify the positive and negative terminals. Attach the cables. Connect one red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working battery. Connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car's engine block. This grounds it. Start the working car. Let it run for a few minutes to charge the dead battery. Start your car. Try turning on the dead car. If it doesn't start, wait another few minutes. Scene 2. Post-jump instructions. No second car, no problem. A portable jump starter is a lifesaver. Here's how to use it. Turn off everything, ensure the car is off. Connect the jump starter. Attach the red clamp to the positive battery terminal. Attach the black clamp to a grounded metal surface. Power on the jump starter. Follow the device instructions. Start your car. Once it starts, turn off the jump starter and remove the cables. To avoid a dead battery in the future, follow these tips. Turn off lights and electronics. Leaving them on drains the battery. Check the battery terminals. Keep them clean and corrosion-free. Drive regularly. Batteries recharge while driving. Test your battery. Have it checked every 6 months. And that's it. Fixing a dead battery is easier than you think. And now you know how to handle it like a pro. Let me know in the comments if you have any other car troubles you'd like us to cover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful car tips. Drive safe and see you in the next video. Subscribe to How to Fix for the best car tips and tutorials.